welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to myself as well, because I haven't been here in like a year. We'll talk a little bit about that, but first of all, so I live in Saigon, Vietnam, and the power here just randomly goes out. You never know when it's gonna happen. So now, like, this always happens before I finally decide I'm gonna start vlogging again. I take up my camera, the power goes off, and I start sweating. I'm already nervous to get back on camera, back on my channel, and then this happens. I swear, it's just ridiculous. But anyway, I just had to finally hold up my camera and do this because I've been putting off coming back onto my channel for, like I said, like a year. I mean, I've filmed a lot of videos, like a lot of attempts, I should say, you know, attempting to like address what's going on with me and the world, and neither are coming out right. For me, I'm just, like, I started this channel last year. I want to make it like a place and a community for wannabe entrepreneurs to talk about all of the topics that we struggle with and talk about the aspects of wannabe entrepreneur life and be able to discuss that together, and for me to share what I'm working on, what tips and strategies are working for me. I have just mostly been working on a project for how to organize and like set up your life and business operating system with this incredible app. It's called Notion, but I'm creating like a whole system within there, and I want to make like a video course to teach how to do that and how to, yeah, implement it for each type of wannabe entrepreneur, which, by the way, I mean like any of these ways that people are trying to create their personal or business brands online these days. So that was the quick update that I just had to spit out and let you know, like, that's what I'm trying to do. It's what I've been working on. That's what this channel is about. And I think that's just gonna have to like become more clear over time, because I'm just working on getting back on here and getting in the mindset to explain things clearly again. I think that most people can relate to the fact that this year has been the weirdest year in history, and like nothing in life is very clear right now. And so I don't know if you feel the same way, like about your own life or brand plan, about it just feeling hard to explain. Like, that's how I'm feeling. The mantra, the theme here today is start sharing even while you're still preparing. Sharing while preparing. But that's like what I'm trying to tell myself, that I'm still preparing this Notion course and my ideas. I mean, I could just prepare for a never-ending amount of time, or I could just start sharing that I am preparing and show a little bit about like my life here in Saigon, Vietnam, and talk about the things that I do to like work in the meantime, because there is a very real struggle for wannabe entrepreneurs to like persistently keep working toward your ideas and your goals and like turning them into real things. And in that whole meantime, you feel a little bit crazy, and it's just really hard to keep your motivation and your inspiration high. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is that I really rely on living a mostly healthy lifestyle with exercise and eating healthy and just like doing a lot of different things, daily habits, I mean, that set me up to have the best chance at being the best version of myself and having the most productive week. Those are the things that I love watching other YouTubers do. Apparently, I love watching other chicks exercise and cook their food. So those are the things that I want to share with you guys. I think I'll just stop my rambling right now and let's get on with the day. Let's go do step one, which is the exercise, and then I think I'm gonna order food from all of the places that I usually order from each week to like food prep and plan for the week. So this is where I usually exercise, in my cool little workout room that I have on my roof. But my sister called and she wants to do our kind of exercise that we do like on FaceTime together. We do the Tracy Anderson workouts. They're kind of like Pilates, sort of. So I'm gonna do that with her, and you get to meet my sister.
Listen.
Give me a booty shot.
Give me a booty shot.
I got us both in the video now. I've got to explain that this is like my comeback video. I'm like Brittany on a comeback right now.
Well, it's pretty, bitch.
Actually, this really fits because the point of my video is something like habits every week that set me up to be the most stable I can be, or have like the best productive week and feeling good. And that includes you.
Well, that's what's up. I think YouTube.
All right.
There only needs to be one of our faces on YouTube. Otherwise, it's too much.
No, I'd prefer it to be yours. But anyway, fine. Let's do our workout. Fenny, you're really kind of in the way of my workout zone. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Actually, my sister used to hate this kind of workout. Like, I was doing Tracy Anderson years ago, and she would make fun of me like, it's just little arm movements like this. It doesn't do anything. Love how you still make fun of it, though. Like,
oh, goodness.
Someone who'd be the moon to my stars. Why does love always have to be this hard? It's got me feeling like
Hell yeah.
what?
Right when I gotta do more cross shots.
now I'm down to earth, so to clear next to you. On the road, let's disappear.
All right, I've got to warn you. This is going to be a little scary. Okay, I've seen so many YouTubers that I watch put like a face mask on in their videos. I figured I'd do it because I really have been loving this charcoal face mask. You know, it's like one of the kind that dry and then I get to peel it off and it's just like the best sensation. That was a great workout with my sister and I'm going to get on my computer and order the foods. Right, Fenny? Oh, you're so cute. I'll show you how I use my database in Notion to like go through my weekly food ordering and food prep plans. It's just so much easier to be able to look at this list instead of try and remember every single time because I order from a bunch of different places here. So, as you can see, this is called the Food and Home DIY Zone. At the top here, I've got my Saigon delivery database. I have all of the restaurants that we typically order from here in Saigon. I just love having them all at a glance and it helps me quickly figure out where I want to order some takeaway from. I can put in notes about the main things that I often order from there, and I also screenshot the menu into here, which is so helpful because then I just don't always have to rely on finding their menu in their Facebook page or website or whatever. I've just got it all right here. And then my order groceries list, I've got all the places that I order from weekly, and it's just so functional because I've got the link right here to their website or Facebook page or wherever I usually order from. I also order from NM Gourmet Market, but you can see I have the link empty here because I usually message them through Viber or WhatsApp. And then Dicey. This place is the only place in town that I've found that sells coconut yogurt, and they make it homemade and it's so amazing. I love it. I'm gonna order with them just through Messenger here. Salad Stop is one of my favorite places to get salads. I mean, for a meal and or sometimes I order extra and then I can have it for like a few meals in a row. Amazing Specialty Coffee. I order filters for my Chemex coffee maker and also like some coffee beans and cold brews. Their cold brew is really nice to have a few in the fridge for the week. One of the other places I regularly order from is Phunha. It's like and I just also message them on Viber. And you can see I put like my usual orders so I remember a few of the main products that I often order from each place. But soon I'm going to have this set up so my ingredients database is completely connected so I can just see all of the exact ingredients that I order from each place because see, I have my ingredients database here and I've made a list of every single thing that I order within each food category. It's just incredibly helpful for me because you can see I order a ton of ingredients all the time, and I think most people do. Like, it's way more than you would think you actually order. Dairy things, meats and greens and vegetables, herbs and canned things and fresh fruits and dried fruits and frozen fruits. Like, it's just crazy. There's so many different things to keep track of, and that's why I need a database like this. I'll show exactly how this works more in another video, but I just wanted to introduce it a bit today as I am ordering food for the week. All right, hey there. I'm gonna finish ordering my groceries and have a smoothie bowl, which I put in the freezer for myself. Love when I look out for myself like that. I'm obsessed with these acai bowls with like more berries on top, some homemade granola. Kind of have to hurry as well, so I'm ready to go and meet two for our lunch and co-working date today, which I will bring you guys along with next. So yeah. I'm gonna finish this and get ready to go. And another tip that I have, just for like how to feel in your best mindset and ready to be productive, is to wear something that makes you feel cute. It really just gets me in the zone to put on like a little work blazer, even though I'm wearing biker shorts underneath. But I really want to get made just, and I mean like get tailored here in Vietnam, just like some very basic and more like cute, bright, summery color blazers and maybe like matching sets for under. I think it'd be so fun just to have like a work set for each day of the week. Put it on, get it done, no thinking about it, just get in the zone, you know? Okay, I'm gonna go meet two at the cafe, let's go. All right, made it to the cafe with two, my partner.
Hello.
And this is one of my favorite cafes in District 7. It's just so pretty. If you didn't know that there is a D7 location right here in Crescent Mall, now you know. It's a great place to work and or just have a meal or a coffee. So yeah, we're gonna do a little work now.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Need to work on the Notion project. So much planning to do. So let's get to that, but first let's order some food. Vietnamese friend of mine does like video editing and helps me work on this Notion project. I just want to like bring my camera with out to a cafe here to show the situation in Vietnam, which is pretty good. Like it's not as serious of a state of emergency as it is in America. And yeah, so I want to show the life here a little bit. I hope that this also helps you get in a productive, positive mindset for the week and, you know, gets you back in the zone of being able to maybe start sharing even while you're preparing on your wannabe business. I'm trying to say that I hope this resonates for somebody or helps you in some way. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for how you keep yourself motivated and set up for the most productive work week and most stable emotion that you can during this time in the world right now, and how you work on your wannabe business or maybe some of the struggles that you're having. Because again, I would love for this to be kind of like a community space where wannabe entrepreneurs can meet and chat and just discuss all the real things.